Hello friends, today we will learn a favorite method of multiplication which is called lattice multiplication. L A T T I C E, lattice method. Generally, we saw students sometimes feel little difficulties to understand this lattice method. But this method is very easy. If you understand one time, then it will be very easier for you to do multiplication using this lattice method. So let's start. I am starting with a very simple example. Okay, let's start multiplication a 3-digit number by a single digit number. Say one 3-digit number like 5, 7, 8. Let's multiply it by 9. Okay, so 5, 7, 8 we need to multiply by 9. How we need to do it? Okay, first check that there are how many numbers. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 numbers. So you need to draw a rectangle like this and divide it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So where these 3 coming? Here we have 3 numbers. So that is why we have 3. And just put these 5, 7, 8 here. So this 5 is coming here, 7 is coming here, 8 is coming here. So top of each box we write a number which we need to multiply. And here we have only 1 digit. So that is why we are just putting 9 here. So 9 is coming from here. Next time when we show the 2-digit number, then we will show there is another box will appear here. Okay, so for this 5, 7, 8 into 9 we need to do by this way. 5, 7, 8 into 9. Okay, so this is the first step. Next, what we need to do? Next we need to draw a line like this. Just extend this line somewhat. Also draw a line like this, extend it somewhat, and also similar way a line like this, and you can say it is a kind of diagonal. Okay, now we need to multiply it. So here what we have? 9, and here what we have? 8. So 9 into 8, it is 72, right? So put like 7 here and we put 2 here. So 9 into 8, 72. We'll put like this. 9 into 8, 72. 7 we are putting here, 2 we are putting here. So next, here is 9 and here is 7. So we need to multiply this with this. So 9 into 7, how much? It is 9, 7 just 63. So similar way we are putting 6 here and 3 here. So 9, 7 just 63, 6 we are putting at top, 3 we are putting at the bottom half of this box. Next, 9 into 5, how much? 45. Similar way we are putting 4 here and 5 here, 45. 9 into 5, 45. 4 is upper box, 5 in lower box. Next, we need to do a simple process like this 2. There is nothing to add, this is only 1 in the box. So we will put like this, like 2. Next, 7 plus 3, we need to add like this. This we need to 7 plus 3. Within this one, you can see 7 and 3 there. So add 7 and 3. 7 and 3, how much? 10. So we are putting 0 here. And we have 1 in the carry. So we are putting somewhat like here. Okay, putting 1 here for our remember. putting 1 here. So 5 plus 6 plus 1. 5 plus 6, 11, plus 1, 12. So we have 2 here. Next we have 1 in the carry. So we are putting 1 here. So how much? It is 4 and 1. That is 5. So what is the result of this multiplication? 5202. So what we are getting? The result 5202. Now let's check our multiplication if correct or wrong. 5, 7, 8 into 9. 8 9 is 72. We have 7 in hand. 9 7 is 63. We have 63 plus 7. That is 70. We are putting 0 here. We have 7 in hand. 9 5 is 45. 45 plus 7. That is 52. So we have 5202 as our answer. So the same answer we got by lattice method as well. 5202. So what is the answer here? 5202. So friends, how simple is this? So today we have learned how to multiply a 3-digit number by a single digit number. In my next video, I will upload a 4-digit number, how to multiply by a 2-digit number. Okay, so if you like it, please do let us know. If you have any question, also do let us know. We will try to get you the proper answer. Okay, thank you, bye.